Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook group chat. To do that, you want to go ahead and look towards the right hand side on Facebook and you'll find group chats and you'll also see that it says create group chat. So click on the plus there to create a group chat. Now you want to go ahead and start adding those people in. So I'm going to go ahead and just choose, for example, this person here. And of course, that's going to be the person that I'm going to do. You can add more people as well. So go ahead and start by adding all the people that you want to add in. And once you add those people in, you can basically, you will be able to start a group chat. So here you add more than one person, for example, and it's going to give you the option to continue. Click on continue. And here you can now start writing in the chat. So I'm going to just say, for example, hi, for example. And of course, you will see that the chat is created and you can basically start, having people communicate within the chat and so forth. But that's it. It's very easy and very simple.